Hello everyone, this is Austin, and we are the Reading Raptors from Shantiniketan Indian School. I will be bringing to you many stories, but today let us begin on an exciting and an interesting story called The Water in the Well. Let us understand the pronunciation of a few words from the story The Water in the Well. Sold, inconsolable, sustenance, justice, consigned, outwitted, claim, immediately, trick, grateful. Once a man sold his well to a farmer. Next day, when the farmer went to draw the water from that well, the man did not allow him to draw the water from it. He said, I have sold you the well, not the water, so you cannot draw the water from the well. The inconsolable farmer came to the emperor's court for sustenance. He described everything to the emperor and asked for justice. The emperor called Birbal and consigned the case to him. Birbal called the man who sold the well to the farmer. Birbal asked, Why don't you let him use the water of the well? You have sold the well to the farmer. The man replied, Birbal, I have sold the well to the farmer, not the water. He has no right to draw the water from the well. Then Birbal smiled and said to him, Good, but look, since you have sold the well to this farmer, and you claim that the water is yours, then you have no right to keep your water in the farmer's well. Either you pay rent to the farmer to keep your water in his well, or you take that out of his well immediately. The man understood that his trick has failed. Birbal has outwitted him. Now let us build our vocabulary on 10 important keywords from the story. Sold, inconsolable, sustenance, justice, consigned, outwitted, claim, immediately, trick, grateful. Now that we are familiar with the words from the story, let us further start investigation of the words and try to find out the meanings of these words. Sold, to give away something in exchange for money. This is the literal meaning of the word sold. Just like in the story, the man sold his well to the poor farmer. So the man gave away his well to the farmer. Inconsolable, not able to be comforted. The Inconsolable farmer came to the emperor's court, which means he was very, very sad and was not able to be comforted. Sustenance, justice, consigned, outwitted, claim, immediately, trick, grateful. Now, these remaining words, you can find out the meanings of these words for your home task. After understanding the meanings of the words through word investigation, let us move further to understand the dissections of each word, which is nothing but the synonyms and the antonyms. What is a synonym? A synonym is basically getting different other words of the same meaning. Now let's take a look at a few words and their synonyms. Inconsolable. Synonym is heartbroken, unhappy. The next word, sustenance. The synonym is nourishment and support. We have three more words, justice, consigned, outwitted. Now, as a part of your home task or home assignment, you can find the synonyms of these three words. So now we know the meanings of the words, the synonyms of the words. So let us further move to understand to find the antonyms of the words. What is an antonym? An antonym of a word is to find the opposite meaning of the word. Now let's take a look at a few antonyms of the words from the story. Inconsolable. Antonym is consolable, cheerful. Sustenance. Antonym is neglect, starvation. Again, we have three words left out, which is justice, consigned, and outwitted. These three words, you have to find the antonyms as a part of your home assignment. Having understood the meanings of the words, the synonyms, and the antonyms of the words, we will now be able to create sentences with the same words. So let's take a look at a couple of sentences I have created with these words. The first word, sold. These items are being sold in the market for less money. Inconsolable. The old man's grief was agonizing and inconsolable. We have more words like sustenance, justice, consigned, outwitted, claim, immediately, trick, and grateful. Now you have to create your own sentences with these remaining words as your home assignment. After reading and understanding the story very well, We can now comprehend the story by answering a few questions. One question has been done for you as an example. Note the way the question has been answered. The question is, why do you think the emperor consigned the case to Birbal? Discuss. Now we can start the answer by taking a part of the question as the starting line. For example, the emperor consigned the case to Birbal because the emperor knew that Birbal was a wise man and he would be able to solve the problem very easily so that the poor farmer could get justice. Now, that was a good sample for you to understand how to answer questions. Here we have question number 2. How was Birbal able to outsmart the cunning man? Elaborate. Question number 3. Write 3 character traits of the farmer. And question number 4. Give a moral to the story and relate it to an incident in your life. Now, these 3 questions are given to you for you to answer as your home assignment.